I am now here in the robotics laboratory at Arya Group of Institutions. You can see all these gizmos and all these toys out here. In this age of transformers, the students at Arya are all busy in creating some robotic fun out here. I have with me Mr. Ashish Sharma, who heads this robotics lab. So what is this lab all about?
Actually, this lab produce different kind of robots. Like we can play the robots. If we are playing the robots, then that particular robot will produce dancing, moving here and there. We have number of gadgets here. Like we can follow the walls. We can produce line follower, which follow the paths according to their uses, according our parking or different things. And we have cubic things. We can solve the cubic puzzles from the robots here, and we can solve the Sudoku also from the robots. The number of things like we have performed here operations according to their uses. In the parking slot, in the wall follower, we can create here simulator also that is represent different simulation on. We can simulate the things like airplane moving here and there. These things happen in this lab.
How old is this lab?
I think it's 3 years old lab.
Okay.
And very sufficient lab, efficient lab. Sorry, very efficient lab, because here is not robotics things happen. A number of things like we create simulation. Like there is also one thing, another thing. We can ride the car according to moving handle, according to our use.
Okay. So is it a part of the RTU curriculum, or it is beyond?
Beyond of syllabus. Okay. It's a purely beyond of syllabus. We here initiate the students to do something else apart from your regular study, because this is not sufficient that you are doing study normally, and you have to have improve your curricular activities side by side your technical skills according to your technical way.
So the students of which branch take advantage of this lab?
Every branch. Okay. Like here come electronics branch also, CS also consider. Every branch take initiative here and take the participation in this lab.
So
Samar,
yes,
what has been the excitement about this lab amongst the student community at large?
Sir, actually this lab is totally beyond the syllabus, as we know. So here we make such a gadgets which are totally apart from the syllabus, and this shows our creativities. Sir, actually you can see that it is a humanoid. Sir, actually is a flexibot. His name is flexibot because it is very flexible. Sir, here 17 servo motors are used. Here we can see that it's a microcontroller in which ARM processor is used. In this 60 KB of flash memory and 32 KB of RAM is used in this, and 17 servo motors are used by and we can see this. It's a simulation. We have created a simulation software to control this robot. So this software is totally designed in the Visual Basic, and by this you can see this. By moving this scroll, we can control the robot, and by making the different type of positions of this, and after making these positions, when we combine all the positions of this robot, and when we play this software is completely write its software in the microcontroller, and after this robot will work.
So this is probably a unique intervention at Arya, where some beyond the curriculum laboratories or exercises are introduced to the students at large, so that they can experiment and take advantage of the other technological advances which are in vogue. So the wheel of innovation is really unraveling in the right space and in the right spirit. We move forward from this robotics lab to yet another destination at Arya Group of Institutions, located in Kukas at Jaipur.